Hey Nico, how's it going? It's Jarrett here to give you your video lesson that goes along with your lesson from the guitar for what to practice this week. So, what I'm going to go over is a little warm-up exercise that you can start with when you're beginning to practice just to get your fingers all warmed up. And then I'm going to go over the song. It's number 4 in your book, what you're going to practice this week. So I'm just going to kind of give some tips for those. Also, just some tips on playing the notes, just those F and G on here for this. So real quick, just to start, I want to give a little bit of extra points for playing those notes. So what this, just so you know, we are playing on the high E string. Oops, I forget if I could play it. That high E right there, that first string. So remember what I said during the lesson, with our finger, we want to use the part of the finger that's just the tip of it, that little tip right there on the finger. This part right here is what we're going to be wanting to use of our finger. So when I press it, it's like you're going to be pressing in, and remember, you want to press right in the middle of the fret. So I know it might be a little easier to get your finger here or maybe here, but we want our finger right in the middle, that tip of our finger. Then we get that note playing nice and clear. And the same thing here with the third one. We want that right in between those two lines, right on that third fret. So when you're playing, try to do that. Try to aim just for those two parts so you can get that nice and clear. Now, a little warm-up that I want you to do on here, just to get those fingers going, it's going to be all here on the first string, again, just that first string. What you're going to do, you're going to play the E, that's the open string, so your fingers don't have to be pressing anything. So E, we'll call that open. Open. Your first finger on the first fret, then your second finger on the second fret, then your third finger on the third fret. And that's like it's going up a ladder. Open, first fret, second fret, third fret. Open, first fret, second fret, third fret. Open, first fret, second fret, third fret. And once you get that down, that little warm-up where you're feeling comfortable using that, we can even go back down. Third fret, second fret, first fret, open. Third fret, second fret, first fret, open. So for that warm-up, well, here's what I want you to do. Just get your fingers warmed up going that, and here's the exact warm-up how I want you to do it, Nico. Open, first, second, third, third, second, first, open, open, first, second, third, third, second, first, open. So you're getting all those little fingers warmed up just by going like that, and that, before you know it, you'll be able to do that no problem, just like that. But I want you just to do that for a few minutes just to get those fingers warmed up, because then when you practice, it'll make it a lot easier because your fingers are nice and loose on that. So the other part you want to practice, it's number 4 in your book, and I want to show you just a few examples on how to play that here, and I'm going to do it with my metronome, and I'm going to go really slow. I'm going to go to 60, which is kind of about what I want you to do it at, but let me give you a little bit of tip on just playing it, just so you can hear it, just seeing it with your fingers. Sometimes it's easy to visualize it before you try it, just a little bit of tip. So I'm going to count us in, and here's how you're going to play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, E, F. G, F, G, F, E, F, E, F, E. So let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, E, F, G, F, G, F, E, F, E, F, E. 2, 3, 4. So really, you're just going in between that the open note with the E, the first fret, and the third fret. It's all on the same string here. So remember, if you get your fingers warmed up like that, then doing this is going to be very easy. Let me do it one more time for you, and you can play along here while you're sitting there watching the video. Grab your guitar and play with this. This makes it nice and fun. You can watch as many times as you want. but I'm going to go a little slower, and you can play along with it one more time, okay? And I'm going to count us in, and we're going to give it a shot on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, G, F, G, F, E, F, E, F, E. One more time on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, E, F, G, F, G, F, E, F, E, F, E. You see how when I was playing it, I was getting my fingers right in the middle of the fret, and the notes were coming out nice and clear. So I want you to practice on just those two things this week, Nico. Just to get that sound down, we're getting the notes nice and clear. Remember, we want to use the tip of our finger for both of these. Just that little tip, that little part of the finger where the skin is the most on there, right in the middle, and press down. You want to use some of that Superman strength that we've been talking about, but just use that part of the finger. And remember, our little warm-up. Open, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. Up the ladder, down the ladder. So I want you to just work on those two things, and also number 4 in the book. And just take your time, Nico. No rush to do it. Watch this video as many times as you need. Practice as much as you want. Don't worry, I'm here to help you for whatever you need. So just have some fun practicing with that, and I will see you on our next lesson. And just keep doing a great job. All right, see you later, buddy.